Hi, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel universal credit claim online. So all you have to do is head over to gov.uk. Then in the search bar, just start searching for universal claim. Then press enter. Then in the list of search results, just click on universal credit. Then click on report a change of circumstances. Next is just scroll down until you see this link signing in to your Universal Credit account. So scroll down and all you have to do is sign in to your account, and from that you can cancel the Universal Credit claim yourself. But if you cannot sign in to your Universal Credit account, you can just contact them by clicking on the contact us link. So from here, you can see their contact information and numbers in which you can reach them out and help you cancel your universal credit claim. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!